Okay, hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today is actually going to be such an exciting video. It's going to be kind of like a vloggy sit down type video. Basically, I bought out my own company. I haven't really spoken about it on my channel yet, so I wanted to do like a whole video based on it. I bought out my own company. It's called Nude at 9. It's basically clothing and I'm obsessed with it. I released it a couple of days ago now, and today is going to be like an order packing day. My friend's always actually printing them for me, so I've got all the blanks in my car. I'll show them in a minute. But yeah, she's going to help print them, and Georgia is actually also coming to come and help pack them. But yeah, I'm in a bit of a rush now. I'm going for brunch first, but then afterwards I'm going to go pack the orders. I'll tell you a bit about the company and stuff in more depth a bit later, and I'm going to do a Q&A as well, so make sure you stick around. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. It's really exciting for me, so yeah, enjoy. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe for more, and check out nudeat9.com. Right, so I thought I'd show you all of the hoodies and tops that are in my car. Literally, this box is massive. I can't even explain. You can't really tell, but this is how it's going.
It's going stressful. It's how
Oh my god, look at them all on the floor. They're looking good though.
We're just shopping.
Look how nice they are. Nude, gorgeous.
Right,
Link is in description, people.
Can we bag
Look. Okay, hold on. Let me just show you them there. Look how nice. Sorry about my botch nail. I'm getting them fixed tomorrow.
Size?
Large. This is for Sean. Shout out to Sean. Look how mad this is. Coming soon, peeps. Ooh. The sea of parcels.
Don't show people's addresses.
Oh yeah, I know. Okay, so I'm in my room now. I literally haven't filmed a video in so long. I'm literally just gonna do a little Q&A about starting a business. I asked on Instagram and people had quite a lot of questions, so I thought I'd just go through and answer them just in case you guys are interested in starting your own business and that kind of thing. So yeah, I've just been to Starbucks. I've got a white chocolate mocha. This is my favourite. They are so banging, honestly. I'm currently waiting for like Hermes to come as well, so if I'm like looking out, it's because I'm waiting for Hermes to come and pick up some parcels. But yeah, I'm just gonna answer some questions based on my business. I really hope this can like help some people, because I know when I was starting my business I had a lot of questions and I didn't really know like who to ask or like where even to start. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Okay, so it's about that. Hermes literally just came and picked up the parcels. How weird. But yeah, I'm just going to answer some questions now. So I asked on Instagram if you guys want to follow me on Instagram. I've actually got two now. So obviously I've got my personal Instagram, then I've got the Nude at 9 one, which is at Nude9. So make sure you go follow them. I'm actually going to do a giveaway really soon, and it's going to include some pieces from Nude at 9. So yeah, also look how cute this phone case is. I just realised that I haven't done a YouTube video in so long, so you guys will literally know like nothing about my business, which is like shocking. But yeah, I've got my own little phone case with my company on, which I love so much. I think I'm going to sell these in the future. They're not for sale yet. This is just one that I ordered because I'm just extra as fuck. But yeah, I'm probably going to sell these in the future because I just love them. But yeah, I'm literally just going to answer them now. I need to like sit on a cushion. I feel really low down. Okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, let's get started. So, the whole process easier or harder than you expected? I think the hardest thing of this business was actually registering it. I found it so difficult. Basically, when you register a business, you have to be careful because if you just register it on like the normal like company's house website, your address and everything gets put online. So I was like, I can't have that. So I had to go through like a different company which are able to like hide your address and use a different address like on the website. It's like some kind of privacy package, privacy. So yeah, I had to do that, and then it's quite long-winded to like set up your business. Like you have to answer so many questions. It literally took me all night, and I was sat with my dad, and you know when you're like speaking to someone and they're just not listening to what you were saying? That was literally me and my dad. I was asking him, I was like, okay, is this right? And he was just there like trying to multitask, and I was like, you need to listen, like this is important. But yeah, I think it's been too hard. Like once you've got your ideas together and you've got a plan together, it's okay. I think it's just getting a plan together and registering your company, which are the hard bits. But yeah, it's all right now. How did you even, oh, did I just undo my thing? I did, that's sad. How did you even get started? So proud, by the way, thank you. Basically, I wanted to do my own business for so long. I literally said at 50k, I want to start my own business. But I never really knew what to do my business in. Like, I don't really feel like I have that many talents, so I was like, I don't know what to do. And then one night I was just like thinking about it, and I was thinking about what I could do, and I love like fashion and stuff, so I wanted my own clothing brand. And then it just popped into my head. I was literally like, I like wearing nude colours. If you guys have noticed, I literally only wear like blacks, whites, nudes, like really, I don't know, boring colours, I guess. So that was where my like original idea of doing like nude clothing came from. And then the name, there was another question about the name as well. Basically, I didn't really want nude for the name because I think it's already like copyrighted anyway, I don't know. I wanted something different, and then I was falling asleep one night and it literally just popped into my head. I was literally like, Nude at 9, that's it. And ever since, I've just loved Nude at 9. I don't know where it came from at 9. I think it just goes really well. It flows really well. It's really catchy. It's really easy to remember. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to use Nude at 9, and I've loved it ever since. So yeah, that's where the name came from. It's really random. It doesn't really mean anything. I guess because I want the whole collection to be nude, or I'm starting off nude anyway. That's where the nude bit came from. But yeah, Nude at 9. I just love it. Did you have to hire people to ship the orders out? No, basically me, Georgia and Zoe did it. You guys will see. I don't know if I'm putting the clips before or after this, but my friends helped me out. So Zoe is actually printing all the bits for me. She's a really talented graphic designer, and she's helped me so much. I'm so grateful for her. So she's actually printed all the pieces. She's just incredibly talented, and yeah, I'm really, really grateful that she's been able to help me. So she was printing the other night. I was literally at her house for 4 hours doing the first lot of orders. I didn't actually think it would take that long, but yeah, we were there for 4 hours printing like all these t-shirts and hoodies. So obviously these are the hoodies. Hold on, I've got the other one here. These are the 2 hoodies at the moment. So obviously they say nude on them. This one is like an old gold colour, and it's got this little, what's this colour called? Like tan? I think it's called tan. It's got like a tan text on it. Is it tan? I think so. This one on the website is actually called St. Lawrence. This one's called Reduit, and this one's called St. Lawrence. They're actually named after my favourite beaches. Reduit is actually in St. Lucia. I went on a Caribbean cruise a few years ago, and that beach was insane. And then St. Lawrence is actually named after St. Lawrence's Gap in Barbados. If you guys have ever been to Barbados, Barbados is one of my favourite places ever. And obviously these are quite like nudie, like sandy, beachy colours. So I was like, yeah, I want to name them after my favourite beaches and some of my favourite places in the world, because I just felt like it was quite personal to me. So yeah, they're named after beaches. If you guys are wondering like what the hell do they mean, they're named after beaches. I didn't really want to just call them sand and tan. I thought that was so boring. So yeah, they're named after beaches if you guys wanted to know. But yeah, Georgia and Zoe actually helped me. I love them so much. They were really, really helpful. They helped me pack the orders. Honestly, I would have been absolutely lost without them. So yeah. Did you always want a clothing brand? Do you know what? No, I was thinking about doing something different. Like I always had clothing brand in the back of my head, but I always thought like it's not gonna sell, like no one's gonna want to buy stuff from me. and it's quite hard to think of an idea as well to do, because I was like, there's so many things already out there, like Pretty Little Thing, blah blah blah, like I didn't know what to do. But I'm so glad of how like the first drop's gone. Like it's been incredible, the support has been amazing, and I'm just so grateful that people love it and people have bought into it. It does mean the world to me. So yeah. How did you plan all your story post promos and your website? So my website is actually through Big Cartel. It's actually been really easy to do. It's so easy to just put products on there, shipping, that kind of thing. It's so simple. Zoe actually helped with the banner on my website. If you guys want to go check out the website, it's nude@9.com. I know there's been some issues with accessing the website through my Instagram link, so if you guys just go straight onto like Safari or Google or whatever and type in nude@9.com, you should be fine with placing an order. But I know the PayPal sometimes struggles when you're going through the Instagram link. I think it just doesn't really like the domain or something. So if you just go on nude@9.com through Google or Safari, it should work. I'm offering worldwide shipping at the moment. I think most countries are on there. I had to do it by every single country, so I literally just went through like which are the most popular from the people that watch me. But if your country isn't on there, just let me know and I can add it. But yeah. How did I plan on my story post promos? I don't really know. I just kind of, me and Georgia went out and shot the hoodies and t-shirts probably about like a month, just over a month ago now. So from that I did get a lot of like content, but obviously I didn't want to show the nude bit until a week before I released it. So there was a lot where we had to like cover the nude, which was a little bit annoying. But yeah, we literally just went out, got loads of content, and that was really handy because we just kind of went off that. And now, do you know what? I love the nude@9 Instagram. It is so like aesthetically pleasing. I'm so proud of it. Literally guys, go and check it out. It's so lit. How did you get your hoodies tops to sell? I'll be buying one when I get paid. Thank you so much. I don't know really. I guess people who follow me have just liked the look of them. I haven't really done anything special. I haven't like done any like paid for ads or promotion or anything yet. I need to look into that. I don't really know how you do all that stuff, but I wanted to put a YouTube video out there first because I know that some people might watch me on YouTube but not follow my Instagram, not even know about the business. So I wanted you guys to know as well. But yeah. I don't really know how I got them to sell. I guess it's just because I've got a little bit of a following, so people want to buy into my things, and I think people just love like the nude vibe as well. I found it extremely hard to just find something that was like really nice, like nude colour with just like a little text on it, do you know what I mean? But yeah, these are honestly so comfy. I just wear them 24/7, honestly guys. Hope it's not too late. How long did it take you to have your own brand? Do you know what guys, it didn't even take me that long. I literally came up with this idea probably about 2 months ago. 3 months ago. I mean, in the back of my mind I knew I wanted a business, but I wasn't sure what, so it hasn't actually taken that long to like plan and stuff. I made the logo myself. I shipped the first lot of orders out myself. I've done a lot by myself, like apart from making the things, obviously my friend did that, I'm not taking credit for that, but all like the back kind of things like the website, shipping, that kind of thing, it's all done by myself, and I'm so proud of that. But yeah, hasn't taken me too long. If you guys are wondering, I'm actually doing them on pre-order at the moment because I don't want to buy a whole bulk of hoodies and then not sell them. But in the future I won't be doing pre-orders. I think it's just as I start up, I just want to do like pre-orders. But yeah, also guys, I want to show you guys my baby collection. My friend's got a baby and I really wanted to send the baby something, so look how freaking cute. Hold on, you can't even see it. How absolutely adorable it is. It just basically, it needs an iron, sorry, it's been like all crumpled up. It says nudie on it. It's so cute. It matches the hoodie with the metallic text, and I've got a big version of this in a t-shirt as well. But look, nudie, it's so cute. And then I've got my little tag on it as well, which I love. But yeah, if you guys are interested in like where I got my tags from, that kind of thing, these are from Banana Print. I think these were the most expensive thing that I actually had to buy. I think they were about £15 for 100, and I had to get the ones for the tops and hoodies because they've got different washing instructions on them. But yeah, I love them. They're really minimal. You guys will probably notice that the brand is quite minimal because that's how I want it. I don't want something too like much. When I was making this logo, I was talking to my friend about it, who's a graphic designer, and she was literally like, no, like it just needs to be really minimal. And I was like, no, I want a picture on it. And she was like, don't put a picture on it, like it just needs to be minimal. So yeah, this is the logo for it, if you guys didn't already know. What made you want to start a business? So I guess YouTube is kind of a business anyway. I don't know if you guys would class it as a business, but I I've always had a dream of like working for myself. Obviously at the moment I don't fully work for myself, I do work for another company as well, but I've always just wanted to do my own thing, have my own company, do what I love, because life is too short to not do what you love. Do you know what I mean? Like life is too short to be stuck in a job that you don't want to do. It's not like I don't want to do it, but it's not like a full-on passion of mine. I'm really grateful to have a job, by the way. I'm not complaining about it at all. I'm just saying that doing my own business is a goal that I've always had and I've always wanted to do. So I'm so glad that I've started it now. I think it's the right time to start. I'm 23, so decent age to start. But yeah, I'm really proud of it. Where did you get your suppliers from and who makes your clothes? So the hoodies are actually from a wholesale website, but I actually wanted to go for like the best quality ones because I didn't want to go for any cheap ones. So these aren't necessarily like really cheap. They're actually quite pricey. When I told my mum, she was kind of like, oh, they're quite expensive. So yeah, I get the hoodies and the tops from a wholesale website, and then obviously Zoe prints them. So these are vinyl, and she prints them on using the heat press. The whole process is actually really interesting. I can't remember if I filmed a bit of her printing them. In the future I probably want to do embroidered stuff, but that shit expensive as hell. And these are still really good quality. Like I've washed these several times and nothing's happened to them. So yeah, they're vinyl printed on by Zoe, and then the tops and t-shirts are just from a wholesale website. I think that is all the questions that I've got about my business. Let me just drink a little bit more. Yeah, I think that's all the questions that I've got about my business. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video and like my new brand and my new business. It's really exciting. Make sure you guys go and check out my brand. It's www.nude9.com. And follow the Instagram as well. It's nude9. I've got a giveaway coming so soon, so make sure you follow me. But yeah, I really hope you guys love the business and get behind me and support me and share it with your friends. That would mean so much to me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for literally making this happen and supporting me on YouTube, because it means so much. I think it's given me more the confidence to do it, because before I would not have done it. But yeah, love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with another brand new video. Bye guys.